Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 4 linear equations in two variable exercise 4.1 question number 1. The question is, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variable to represent this statement. Take the cost of the notebook to be rupees X and that of a pen to be rupees Y. So they are saying that the cost of the notebook is twice the cost of the pen. For example, if the pen rate is 5 rupees, right? Then the notebook is nothing but twice the rate of the pen, that is 2 into 5, which is nothing but 10. So the notebook cost will be 10. So in this way they are saying. But they are saying that it is not rupees 5, the pen rupees, how they are representing it as Y. And then notebook amount it is represented by X. So they are representing this term as Y, this term as X. So how we are relating this Y and X? For example, Y it is nothing but 5, right? Then X is equal to 2 into 5. Why we are multiplying by 2? 2 is nothing but twice the cost of the pen. So already I have said that Y it is equal to 5. So this value it is Y. So X is nothing but 2 into Y. Only then I will be getting 2 into 5 it is equal to 10. Similarly X will be twice the value of pen. So in simple, the pen cost it is nothing but Y, and then notebook cost it is represented as X, but X is not equal to Y. X is equal to twice the cost of the pen. So I am writing it as 2 into Y. So this is the expression for the given statement. But they are asking how to represent, write the equation, linear equation in two variables. So the general format for the linear equation to express in two variable, it is Ax plus By plus C equal to 0. So whenever you have constant, you can mention it as plus C equal to 0. If you don't have any constant, you can even write the expression as Ax plus By equal to 0 also. So how we can represent this equation in this format? So first of all, we have to make it to your right hand side as 0. So here the value X is equal to 2 into Y. 2 into Y is nothing but 2Y. So in order to make this right hand side as a 0, take this term to the left hand side. So what is the sign here for 2Y? It is plus. Whenever you don't have any sign, meaning that it is plus. So plus 2Y, when you move to the left hand side, it will become minus 2Y. So here we have X minus 2Y, which is equal to 0. So compare this expression and this expression. So here A value is 1. Why? Because I don't have any coefficient of X, meaning that it is 1 into X. So 1 into X, which is equal to X. So the coefficient of X is A here, and the coefficient of Y it is minus 2 here, and then 0. So this is the general expression here what we are getting. Okay, so write a linear equation in two variables. So this is one variable X, another variable is Y. So we have expressed the given question in two variables. Thank you. Thanks for watching.